Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. I'm facing one of the issue. Let's solve this issue in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically the type error, that is inquirer.prompt, is not a function. So how to solve this issue? So this is the issue with the version. So how do we fix that? So in the latest version, that is the 10, I suppose. So if you are using the required JS, so it will not work. So the correct version for this is, that is 8. So you have to install the 8 version, which is npm install inquirer at the rate 8 commander. So this is the full command that we have to install and compatibility for that one. After installation of this, here you can see that after installing, here you can see I'm able to go with adding the task, run the CLI. Okay, so if you are facing this issue, that is inquired or prompt is not a function, then follow the steps and you will able to solve this issue. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.